New details on a deadly murder-suicide that claimed the life of a Riverside woman. Tonight, we're learning what officials in Charlestown sent out to warn people about her killer possibly heading to their area. As we've reported, the body of Stephen Frajol was found in Charlestown the next day. Police believe he shot and killed Brandy Berg in North Attleboro, and a search to find him began. Eyewitness News reporter Eric Halpern spoke to emergency management officials and has the details on what Charlestown residents received Saturday night. Eric?
Residents near the search area were supposed to get an alert telling them to stay inside, but some didn't get it, and the problem seems to be landline phones. As police were searching the woods of the Francis Carter Memorial Preserve in Charlestown for Stephen Frajol, residents in the area were asked to stay inside. But some say they did not get that emergency notification message from the town.
I was a little worrisome that, I wasn't on the list or I wasn't contacted.
According to Charlestown's Emergency Management Agency Director Kevin Gallup, anyone with an address within 2 miles of where Frajol's car was found should have been alerted.
It was a side thing that if you saw the guy wandering around, you called it in. But it was more to let people know that it wasn't a good idea to have your kids out in the yard playing at that time.
Tom Langlois lives within the radius, but his family doesn't use their landline much anymore. The voicemail is full, and they rarely check the messages. Instead, they're on their cell phones more.
It's the sign of the times of the cell phone.
The MA director says the problem is when the town got the alert system years ago, many residents who opted into the program registered home phone numbers with it. Numbers some no longer have or use.
It looked like a lot of landlines that have been in the system weren't active anymore.
The system uses whatever phone number is registered with the address to send out alerts. That can be changed through the town's website. So Gallup says the weekend incident serves as a good reminder for people to update it with a number they use the most.
It's important that the town has the ability to message you as quickly as possible and keep the people informed.
And the MA director also tells me the town is seriously looking at expanding the capabilities of the alert system. Live in the newsroom, I'm Eric Halpern, Eyewitness News.